Then we'll get into pictorial visualization. Okay, sketching is an easy way, solving many orthographic projection problems. So we usually start with the cube, which is a box, we can just call it, or block. And of course, we have to come up with appropriate views on the surface of that block. So the frontal plane is usually it's this one that you can see. It's actually the left side of your box, right? You will have to take some time to be able to get that this is your left side of the box or block. It's because you tend to believe that your left side is on here, okay? Because of our classic glass box example. So the frontal plane, right, is your left side of the block, and the profile view is the right side. Is to the right of your frontal, which is this guy, or of the plane. Okay. So your front, your top, and then your right side view. Okay. So we'll just draw according to these edges, right, straight. Then of course we will remove the lines right here, unnecessary lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not necessary because our object edges are only here. So you can either erase it, and of course draw your object visible lines right there, and then your internal feature. This is just drawn a 3D sketch, right? And it's pretty easy actually, but of course for beginners it must be a little bit difficult, but you can practice, and it definitely shows, right? This sketch shows all the lines necessary to define this part. Okay, so that's it for this video.